Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the lab. In this episode, we'll be looking at how we're going to assess our competition with a competitive analysis. Some people will call this a benchmarking and using this for the research phase. Others would use it to collect ideas in the market or assess their product with that of their competitors. Since we're in the process of designing a product, this will be a method in our ideation phase for getting ideas. If you're not sure how to start a competitive analysis, or you need some more examples, the Figma community has many templates to get started on. As well as in Notion, templates are available for free. Just duplicate it to your workspace. Here, I used Milanote, a whiteboarding tool, to build a more visual example of my main competitors. This was just a starting point. I bought this Notion template for competitive analysis very cheaply, but it didn't have a section for your direct competitors and your indirect competitors. So I altered this template to add those sections and instructions and a section to summarize your findings. I'll leave a link to this template in the description for your future work. Here I'm using Mobbin to save a screen flow of a note-taking app called Superlist to my collection. Mobbin didn't have, at the time of this recording, screenshots of apps that use an infinite canvas or whiteboard for adding content and notes. Rather, I thought I'll be using this collection for the mood board. For the other apps that are my direct competitors, I've downloaded them on my computer to try them out and record as I use them. This is the best part to ideating. When trying out apps, which you're going to have to do eventually, you'll need to be taking screenshots and/or screen recordings of the landing pages, the onboarding and sign-in processes, and downloading the app to your desktop or mobile, as well as basic actions of your app such as creating a task, deleting a task, or saving notes. Thanks for watching.